Hello, in front of me I've got Realme GT2 and Samsung Smart TV. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi and then enter YouTube app on your smartphone. Now press the screencast button located on the top of the screen and then select your TV. Now when devices are connected you can play any music you want on your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to stop the connection, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.